everybody. Welcome to grade 6. This is the first English session. I hope you all enjoy it. It's not going to include any new information. Let's get started and see what do we have. First of all, here's just a wish that this year would be a fruitful one, where you can gain more knowledge and confidence, because these two are very important to succeed in your life. When you have enough knowledge and self-confidence, you will succeed. You will believe in yourselves and have a successful life. And I just want to remind you that here at the ISI, our mission as teachers and administrators is to help you gain more knowledge and develop your self-confidence. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with an overview of this year's curriculum. I'm going to start with reading comprehension skills and strategies. This year, through comprehension, we are going to practice how to answer comprehension questions appropriately, comprehension questions which are related to a certain text, to a certain reading text. We are going to evaluate the significance of a title, how to write a suitable title, how is the title related to the story or the text you are reading. We are going also to learn how to figure out the meanings of unfamiliar words using context clues. We are going to learn how to identify author's purpose and tone, how to find an evidence in a text, cause-effect relationship, paraphrasing, summarizing, and many more skills to cover in reading comprehension. In grammar, we are going to cover 21 grammar lessons. We are going to start with the types of sentences, the 4 types of sentences. You all know that we have 4 types of sentences: exclamatory, comment, question, and statement. The second lesson would be about subjects and predicates. The subject, as you know, is the doer of the action, and the predicate is the verb. The third lesson is the run-on sentences. We are going to learn how to write correct sentences, complete sentences, using correct punctuation in order to avoid run-on sentences. After that, we are going to move to the simple present and present progressive tense. Then we're moving to adjectives, combining sentences, complex sentences. Then we're moving to simple past and past progressive, kinds of nouns, singular and plural nouns, possessive nouns. So we are going to talk a lot about nouns. As you can see, there are many lessons which are related to nouns. Then we're moving to pronouns and antecedents, pronouns and subject-verb agreement, prepositions, time and place prepositions, adverbs, comparative adjectives and adverbs, appositives. Then we're moving to a new tense, which is the simple future tense, and the last lesson will be negatives. So this is the list of the grammar lessons that we are going to cover throughout the year. When we move to writing, first of all, the new thing that you're going to have this year is essay writing. We are going to practice a lot before we reach essay writing. We are going to start with the definition of a topic. What is a topic? What is a topic sentence? And a controlling idea. The second lesson is going to be about the parts of a paragraph: topic sentence, supporting details, and concluding sentence. Then we're moving to process writing. Process writing means steps in a process. We are going to use, for example, first, second, and then joining words or connecting words in order to explain a certain process. After that, we're moving to descriptive writing. You know, the word describe is means to describe something or someone or a certain place, so we're moving to descriptive writing. After that, we move to narrative writing, which is narrating a certain story or telling a certain story. Then we're moving to problem solution writing, in which you explain a certain problem and its solution, how to solve it. Then we're moving to cause effect writing, which is stating the causes and effects of a certain topic. Then we will move to advantages and disadvantages writing, which is also explaining the advantages of a certain thing or issue and its disadvantages. Advantages means the positive side, and disadvantages is the negative side of something. After that, we're moving to compare contrast writing, which is comparison and contrast. When you compare, you are going to mention the similarities between two things or more, and when you contrast, it means you are mentioning the differences between two things or more. When we finish all of these, I mean when we finish everything related to paragraph writing, I mean from unit 1 to 9, we are going to move in unit 10 to parts of an essay, and here is the turning point. Here is the new thing that you are going to learn about, which is how to write an essay. The first unit is going to be a general view about the parts of an essay, how many paragraphs should we write in an essay, and so on. The second thing we are going to cover is how to write a narrative essay. You used to write a narrative paragraph. Now we are going to learn how to write a narrative essay. And then we are moving to expository writing, which is, let's say, this is the big title of a group of essays, kinds of essays, such as cause-effect essay, advantages, disadvantages essay, comparison, contrast essay, problem solution essay. All of these are related to this big title, which is expository writing, in which you inform the readers about a certain thing. So this is the new thing this year in writing, is the essay writing. So I hope you all enjoy writing, because it's really it expresses your ideas in some way. So I hope you're all excited to know more about essay writing. Now we are going to discuss some of the themes that you are going to cover this year. You will be taking the following themes. As you know, we are going to follow the book, the Wonders book. There are 6 themes in this book. We are going to cover as much as we can from the 6 themes. The first theme is talks about changes, exactly about the changes in nature, natural disasters, natural phenomena, and so on, like let's say volcanoes, earthquakes, and so on. The second theme is going to be about excursions. Then the third theme is about accomplishments, in which this theme tells about stories of people who accomplished something, people who discovered something, people who has a certain, let's say, discovery, and so on. The fourth theme is about challenges. This theme is really nice because it tells about how people overcome their challenges, how people work hard in order to achieve their goals, achieve their aims, no matter what problems they face, no matter if they had, let's say, a certain disability. They are always willing to cover to achieve their dreams. Theme number 5 is about discoveries. It also talks about scientific discoveries, about some discoveries of some people, scientific, medical, and so on. The last theme is taking actions. This theme discusses some of the, let's say, the charity work that some group of people do, some actions that people take in order to improve the way they live and improve others' lives. So all of the themes are really interesting. Um, Now I just want you to go to this link and watch the video. This video is about the first theme that we are going to cover. I'm waiting for all of you on Tuesday, sorry, in order to have our first Zoom live. I can't wait to meet you all. Stay safe, and we'll meet hopefully on Tuesday. Goodbye.